सर कल रात को एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था कि बोरवरी मॉल दी गोवा के सामने के रोड पे कोई गाड़ी का दरवाजा खोल के चल रहे थे, तो उसके ऊपर क्या एक्शन लिया?
नहीं, वी फाउंड द वीडियो actually getting viral in social media. As soon as we got to know about this incident, we immediately registered an FIR because it is actually a violation of law to drive vehicle in very dangerous way. So we have registered a case against that vehicle, and the driver has been arrested, and we have challaned the owner as well.
They were tourists or no?
The person inside the vehicle were tourists.
Sir, but we have seen a number of such incidents.
Whenever it's come to our notice, we have all the cases we have taken action. Actually, and I appeal to all the people also to whenever you are riding or driving vehicles, please drive in a very responsible and not in a very dangerous manner, which will create health hazards for everybody.
The car was also private car, number plate.
So we have challaned, accordingly we have challaned the owner.
Because they were tourists and it was a private vehicle.
We'll have to see whether it was given on rent or whether it was on other.
But have they been warned or they have been just final?
No. We have a registered case.
Registered case.
Okay. So we are actually now the process is still going on. We are talking to them and interrogating them. So based on whatever it is coming up in the investigation, we will take action.